Hello everyone, Preetham here. Have you ever imagined we would brought our office at home? Switching from working at office to working at home is a big change. Letting employees work from home is the big fear of many organizations because they believe there will be less productivity. And this is not entirely wrong. At home, it's easy to get distracted or procrastinate or put in less work. Where at home, would you be more productive? How do you stay focused? When should you start and when should you finish? How will it affect your work and life? To answer all your questions, we have brought this video to discuss how to work from home with high productivity. Let's get started. Point number 1, workplace. Create a comfortable workplace. When I say comfortable, I don't mean this. You have to keep yourself away from such a warm places. It affects efficiency. You would observe huge difference between actual duration versus planned duration to complete the work. Working at office serves to keeping you more focused and on track. Try to create such a place at home, whether it's turning an extra room into office or putting a desk behind your couch. It should be comfortable. It should help you to maintain your posture. It should keep you away from all the distractions, TV, other screens, and provide you everything to complete your work. I would suggest you to have a desk at home. Many organizations are providing monetary benefits to cater ergonomic services at home. If you still don't want to invest in that, I would suggest that you should have such a sitting arrangement which can support your posture, where you can maintain your posture to avoid health issues, because health is important. Second point, keep your workspace and personal space separate. Dad, Mama is calling you for lunch. Beta, can we have you at living area, guest at home? Your favorite TV program is 24 hours live now and no show by house help. How have you been managing these? It's always better to keep your workspace and personal space separate. Let your family members know about your work schedule at the start of the day only and give them dedicated time apart from your predefined work hours. This will help you to focus on your work and family members as well during predefined dedicated time, and also it will help you to keep your family, your work and relations happy. Third point, stay organized. Recently, I have heard from many people that nowadays they have started working for more than 24 hours. Wake up guys, something is really going wrong. You need to adopt a new organizing system or start using a day planner or make sure you are on your schedule. It is always recommended to have flexible work schedule and list the tasks you need to complete. I know it may not be possible always because it depends on the nature of work you are doing, and that's why I have used the word flexible work schedule, because staying committed to schedule will help you to create consistency and a daily routine. Fourth point, take a break. Taking a break allows your brain to refocus and relax. Commit to adequate but intense work interval and use your breaks to get a snack, to get a drink, to get fresh air, to check on your family members or do some chair yoga. Also, you must know that when you should take a pause instead of exhausting yourself and unbalancing your health. Unwind, relax and resume your work with high efficiency. Fifth point, virtual commute. Earlier in office, we used to take a tea, coffee break and interact with our colleagues. Now, the hardest part of working from home is loneliness and lack of social interaction. Taking regular time out to interact or to check in with our colleagues will help us to create social interaction and to focus on day's work. Suggest you to please connect with all the leaders in the team. Attend all possible virtual connects organized by the organization and also initiate virtual team catch-up. Trust me, this will help you to keep yourself updated and motivated because you will be apprised of all the organization level insights and it will help you to build your roadmap. And the last part, with all these, always remember If you are positive, if you are healthy, then only you will be productive. Every day you will have ups and downs, but stay positive. Practice yoga and mindfulness. Stick to your healthy routine and speak with your family and friends. Wish you all the best.